one morning, Thomas was at the wharf. He liked the wharf. It was busy, and he met a lot of his friends there. But today, Thomas was shunting trucks, and the trucks were being especially troublesome. It was taking all of Thomas's puff to keep them in order. Then James arrived. I am to collect a car of flour to make cakes and bread for the Children's Harvest Festival supper, tooted James. I wish Sir Topham Hatt had given me that job, chuffed Thomas. It would be so much more fun than shunting troublesome trucks. James was feeling very pleased with himself. First, I have to take on water, he whistled grandly. Please shunt the flour car over for me, Thomas. Thomas didn't want to shunt any more cars. It meant his job would go on for even longer. Bossy boiler, he puffed. Thomas found the flour car outside the warehouse. James's car. Then Bossy Boiler will have to find me.
Let's get out of here.
Thomas thought hide and seek land.
Thomas? Said Shaggy happily.
But just then, he saw James come around the bend. Thomas, puffed James. He was very cross. You've left a trail of flour all over the wharf. Cinders and ashes, cried Thomas. I must have biffed the car so hard that the door came loose. Thomas didn't feel cheery anymore. If I've lost all the flour, there'll be no cakes and bread for the Children's Harvest Festival supper, he wished sadly. I'm sorry, James, he chuffed. I'll get you another car of flour. Then you won't be late for the children. Thomas raced away.